Today we will introduce the structure and disassembly of the dispensing valve. This is a UV glue barrel. This is to control the air pressure in the UV glue barrel. When the air pressure is increased, the amount of glue sprayed out will also increase. If you feel that the amount of glue dispensed is too little, you can increase the air pressure in the glue barrel. This is the glue barrel. I can remove it by rotating it. This is the glue barrel glue level sensor. When the glue level is lower than the safe value, the machine will sound an alarm. This is a heating module which is used to heat the temperature of the glue and improve the fluidity of the glue. There are two wires, one is the heating wire and the other is the temperature sensing wire. Now we disassemble the main body of the dispensing valve. When we do not work for a long time or switch glue, we need to disassemble the dispensing valve for cleaning. After removing the two screws, you can remove the dispensing valve, but be careful not to lose the sealing ring during the disassembly process. The one on the right is the solenoid valve controller. This is to control the air pressure of the dispensing valve, and the solenoid valve is an air switch responsible for providing air pressure to the dispensing valve. This is the heating module which is responsible for heating the glue to improve fluidity. Now let me introduce the working principle of the dispensing valve. After the solenoid valve is activated, compressed air pushes the spring inside the dispensing valve upward, and the air pressure in the glue container forces the glue into the dispensing chamber. Then, the solenoid valve closes, stopping the air supply. The spring, under the action of its restoring force, pushes the plunger downward and tap at the nozzle, thereby ejecting a drop of glue. This is the working principle of the dispensing valve. Thank you for watching.